Hi, my name is Cindy, Z9designs. The theme for Cozy Corner or Vignette this month is Fall Apple Cider. I'm going to set up an apple cider station that will make you want to have a sip or two. I'm going to upgrade that apple cider. So sit back and watch while I set up a cozy corner for some yummy apple cider, some donuts, and candlelight for a moody evening. So keep watching. It's sweater weather, and hot chocolate has its moments during the cooler months. But when the leaves start to change and there's a slight chill in the air, apple cider is a must-have fall drink I'm reaching for. This easy homemade recipe is filled with warming spices and just enough sweetness, making it the ideal drink to have on the back burner when you're hosting guests for any fall bash. If you've never upgraded your apple cider at home before, now is the time to start. It's easy to make and versatile based on what you have on hand and your taste buds. And it is the perfect way to have a drink at home to serve either hot or cold. So the apple cider. I went to the local farmer's market to purchase some fresh squeezed apple juice. And then, of course, you have to add the spices. Cinnamon sticks, I just love them. Whole cloves and whole allspice. They were all combined in the pot to create a warming spice flavor in this apple cider. And don't worry about the spices being whole because I strained them for serving. And then I took an orange and I cut it into slices, and that was to add a sweet citrus flavor to the cider that is just not complete without. And then you can add a tablespoon or more of brown sugar to add a slight molasses flavor to the apple cider that makes it just perfect for fall. I grabbed a large pot and placed it over medium heat. This recipe will make a fair amount, so I am reducing the amount because I don't want it to boil over. So I'm just having a little bit just for today. I brought the mixture to a bowl, and once it was boiling, I reduced the heat and let simmer while covered for around 2 hours or less. Now, you want to add some water to this because it is just apple juice by itself is sweet. So you want to reduce the sweetness depending on your taste buds. Now first, you set up your station with fall colored cups and saucer. And next, I purchased some donuts that will make you drool. I have plain donuts, I have some filled with gooey fillings, and others with sprinkles. So hopefully you get a variety. There will be something for everyone. And if I left out your favorite, just comment and tell me what you like to munch on. Now, this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. The co-hosts are Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Annalise Cupboard, Barbara Daly, Rural Life, and IB Dolls, and me, Z9designs. Be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment, and show some love by giving that thumbs up, and use the hashtag CozyCorner24. Add a pumpkin and a light with corn wrapped around it because you know that gives it a fall flavor. Okay, now let's see the finished results of the setup. I have a fall tray that I got from Dollar Tree Plus, and a sign that I made myself that says Apple Cider. Now the frame I got from the dollar corner at Target, but it was on sale, so they were only $1. I took that and put a sign in it that says Apple Cider and some other things. I have my corn cob candlelight, and I just use a plain saucer for the donuts and some cups for the cider. Now the taste of the apple juice is mouth-watering and yummy. Watch and see how you can go from mundane to sweet mulling spices. Wow, and it is so good. Hey, but I gotta share these donuts with someone. I can't eat them all myself. So if you've liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching and joining the family. I really appreciate all of your comments. And remember, fall or autumn brings joy to my heart because of the colorful trees kissed by the sun. And this is by me. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.